Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm the pharmacist. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. So today we're going to do a diabetic foot exam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a few different tests just to make sure that your feet are healthy and that there hasn't been any losses of sensation. So is that okay with you?
That's fine.
Okay, perfect. So I'm going to start by doing an inspection of your feet. So we're going to start with the right foot here. So I'm just going to take a look at the bottom of the foot. There are no ulcers. The foot is a good shape here. The toes, there's no obvious deformities. The toenails are a good thickness. Length is a little bit short. And then there's nothing ingrown. So that's good. And then there are no obvious calluses that I can see here. So I'm also going to feel for the dorsalis pedis pulse, which is right here. And then I'm going to feel for the posterior tibialis pulse, which is right here. Okay, so and then I'm going to do the same thing on the left foot. I'm going to just inspect it. So I'm going to look at the bottom of the foot here. There are no ulcers. The toes are the foot is a good shape. There are no obvious deformities in the toes. Toenails are a good thickness. The length is about the same as it was on the other foot. It's a good length, and there is nothing obviously ingrown that I can see. So again, I'm going to feel for the dorsalis pedis pulse, which is about here. Okay, and then the posterior tibialis pulse, which is on this side over here. Okay, perfect. So that's the inspection here, and so just a few questions here. Can you see the bottom of your feet?
Yes.
So how well can you see the bottom of your feet?
I can see the whole bottom of my foot.
Okay, perfect. And then how do you feel that your shoes fit you, the shoes that you walked in here with today?
I think they fit fine.
Okay, you can walk on them okay, no pain or anything like that?
Yeah,
okay.
They're very comfortable.
Perfect. So the next test that we are going to do is to test for a loss of sensation. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to use this tool to feel on a couple of different places on your foot, on one foot or the other. What I'm going to have you do is to close your eyes and look away,
okay,
so that you can't see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to have you raise the hand that corresponds with the foot that you think that I'm touching. So if you think that I'm touching your right foot, raise your right hand. And if you think that I'm touching your left foot, to raise your left hand. And I'm also going to have you say the word yes when you feel me touching your foot.
Okay.
Okay? Does that make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So I'm going to come down here, and if you can tilt your feet up so that I can have the bottom of them. Perfect. Okay. So.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, great. That's all we needed for that. Okay. And then the last test that we are going to do is, this is called a tuning fork. So we're going to do one foot at a time here, and we're going to test for a loss of vibratory sensation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the tuning fork, and then I'm going to place the end of it on your foot. We're going to start as far down as we can where you can feel it. And I'm just going to have you tell me when you can no longer feel it.
Okay.
Okay?
Do you want my feet flat like this or like
Have
that?
them up like that. Yep.
Up like this?
Yep. And just relax. Okay? So we're going to start with the right foot. Here.
I can feel it.
Okay. Tell me when you can't feel it anymore.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Great. And so that was less than 8 seconds. So it says that you have still have good circulation and nerve endings in the foot. So So we're going to do the same thing with your with your left foot now. Okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Now.
1, 2, 3. Okay, and it stopped vibrating over here. So that's perfect. So I think everything looks good to me. So that is the end of the assessment. I thank you, and I hope you have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.